When a single mom who is disabled found raw sewage in her basement, she knew she didn't have the money to call a professional for help.
7 Action News reporter Kimberly Craig shows us how the community rallied to lend a helping hand.
Sonia Cook had no idea what she was going to do when raw sewage filled her basement when that storm hit us 2 weeks ago. Her daughter has special needs, and when her resource teacher reached out for help on social media, everything started to change.
It is a feeling that I cannot describe.
It's amazing.
That's what it is. It's amazing.
When Sonia Cook and her daughter Naya saw raw sewage had backed up into their basement 2 weeks ago, Sonia struggled to find help. Neighbors pitched in, but the problem was massive. Mold was growing, and she had to protect not just her daughter, but herself. Not long after Naya was born premature 18 years ago, Sonia went into kidney failure and eventually received 2 special gifts, organs she had to protect.
2 pediatric kidneys from a 2-year-old baby that passed away from complications of the flu. And I could not see losing my kidneys to this.
Naya's resource teacher at Southgate Anderson High shared their story to a Facebook group for parents, and Brian Roz's wife saw it.
And she said, I know you're busy, but I know you want to help people out, so she sent it to me.
The next day, Brian, who owns Father and Son Restoration, met Sonia at the house, and he knew they had to act fast.
I had the big concern was obviously with the furnace, the AC not working. Humidity was astronomical. We were starting to get surface mold growing.
And when Brian posted on the popular Downriver and Friends Facebook page that he needed help from an HVAC company, a contractor showed up in just 30 minutes.
Michael Kelly is a gentleman who helped us with the furnace, and he's on Downriver Friends. He helps a lot of people all the time.
And for the last 3 days now, Father and Son Restoration and other contractors like A1 Drain Doctor and Quint Plumbing have gone above and beyond to help Sonia and Naya.
I will never ever be able to repay them, but I do thank God from the depths of my soul for them.
Ductwork will be cleaned. The furnace has been cleaned in services and repaired. And pretty much every square inch of the house is going to be HEPA vacuumed and wiped and cleaned before they come back.
The nonprofit group RAINA, reaching all in need of assistance, also reached out on Downriver and Friends for help so Sonia and Naya could stay at a hotel, and the donations poured in, including gift cards for food and gas.
I think they just genuinely want to help. You know, sometimes people don't always know what nonprofit is the best or how to go about helping, and I think that page helps facilitate so many people from so many different areas and backgrounds to just help people in need.
I'm very thankful that the community came out to help us.
I thank you from the bottom of my heart, and I pray for you all each night and give God thanks for you.
And Brian Roz of Father and Son Restoration says Sonia and Naya should be able to return home sometime next week. Kimberly Craig, 7 Action News.
What a nice story. Didn't we need that on this Friday?
We do. We thank all of them for coming together to help that family. And you're absolutely right. I mean, there's so much negative, right? I mean, the positive, the people come together. They're still good people.
Yes, indeed. And we applaud all of those businesses and people who stepped in to help. Thank you, Kim, for that report.